Yes, guys, Ethereum is back beneath $3,000. However, I don't think it's all doom and gloom. On this 4-hour chart, you can see that we're nearing the breakout of this 4-hour time frame chart. This consolidation in Ethereum has actually started 5 weeks ago, 8th of April. There's a few charts we need to look at. The Ethereum high time frame chart, and there's a clue there to see what's going on with the next mover Ethereum, and I'm going to be giving my thesis on that. And of course, we need to look at Ethereum Bitcoin, which is at major support right now, completely oversold as well, meaning that Ethereum has been out of favor against Bitcoin and most cryptocurrencies actually in the last few weeks, few months. We will look at Bitcoin as well because it's a key indicator of what's going on in the market. Big head and shoulder pattern forming, more on that in a moment. But for now, just hit the like button, guys. Support the channel by turning the bell on so you don't miss a future video. And let's talk about the next major price levels for Ethereum. Should you hold right now? Should you buy? Should you maybe take some chips off the table even? Well, let's look at that together. And a quick word from the video sponsor, which is Apex. Apex is a decentralized crypto exchange. If you're worried about KYC, centralized exchanges, well, you can trade directly on chain using Apex Pro. Just click trade, connect your wallet, and if you use MetaMask, you could use Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, any Web3 wallet, and you can trade directly on chain. No accounts, no verification, none of that BS, just simple on-chain derivatives trading. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, super easy to use as well. And I do have a tutorial on the channel. I'll put a card up there. Trade crypto without KYC or without a VPN, 100% legal. Link is up there in the description above. So, kicking things off, like I said, on this 1-hour chart. The invalidation for me, first of all, obviously, although this is a bullish pattern, we have the W formation on the higher time frame, this support. I'm going to show you in a minute. For me, the invalidation right now is $2,750. $2,750. I do want to see the Ethereum price stay above that level, and you'll see why in a moment. But the bullish target for me, the price range here, is of course the distance of this measured move, and it's a big move. It's about a 30% move to the upside, where the Ethereum price for me has a target of about $3,800. But just before you take that and go, great, there are a few things to consider, and those things are as follows. The higher time frame for Ethereum is something we need to pay very close attention to. We are supported at this major level, the 0.302 fib level. If you do a fib level bottom, 13th of June 22, to the recent high that we got in early spring, March, it was mid-March, where the price came up to over $4,000 Ethereum. Remember that? Only a few weeks ago, well, a couple of months ago now, we were up above 4K. Well, we've seen a big sell-off in Ethereum, and it's mainly due to the FUD of the Ethereum ETF. Of course, we had the Bitcoin ETF approval. Everyone was very excited, and Ethereum ETF approval it's gone quiet, and there's talks that it might not be approved for now. That, for me, that's a buying opportunity, because at some point it's going to be approved, and even if it's not, it isn't a necessity for the Ethereum price to rally and for people to use Ethereum. Yes, Solana's been doing very well. I have a big Solana position. If you watched my video yesterday, you'll know I've taken a rather large Solana long, but Ethereum still has its place, and I'm still very bullish on Ethereum, particularly at the moment where the Ethereum price against Bitcoin is suffering. I'm going to show you that in a minute. But look at this. If you look at some of the moving averages, the 200-day moving average for the Ethereum price, it's currently at $2,700. Again, major support level, that kind of 2.527 level is critical. The bull market support, however, for Ethereum is a little bit concerning on the weekly chart. And by the way, we haven't closed the weekly candle yet, but at the moment, Ethereum is beneath the bull market support band. Ideally, we want to see the price close above at least $2,970 to get back above that level. And I think that's very possible this week. Bear in mind, we've still got 5 days to go. This could be one of those wicks, one of those danger zones, but the Bitcoin price is saying otherwise. Bitcoin, of course, is very important for Ethereum. It's leading the crypto market with 55% dominance of all cryptocurrencies, and that could go up a bit more. However, Bitcoin is forming this very bullish head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and I believe Bitcoin is on the verge of a major breakout, also being at major support. So right now, I am bullish on Ethereum. I am going to, and I'll make everybody aware on my Twitter at 𝗕𝗏𝗪𝗏 when I open a long trade. I'm waiting for a couple of things. I want to see some more volume come in, and I won't go over it in this video. But if you follow me on Twitter at 𝗕𝗏𝗪𝗏, I will notify everyone when I go long. I'll be putting a trade on BloFin, where I now have a new partnership and a new account. By the way, if you do still like centralized exchange, basically if you like Bybit, if you like Binance, OKX, you can use BloFin without KYC. No KYC, but it is a centralized exchange. Links are in the video description down below for BloFin and Apex Pro, like I mentioned earlier, your decentralized exchange. And one thing I want to do for the price of not just Ethereum, but for Bitcoin before we go, is use a tool. It's a tool I use on the channel. If you're not so familiar with it, it's called CoinGPT. It's an absolutely amazing tool. It's a free Telegram bot, and it allows you to analyze any cryptocurrency in any time frame. It will give you a bias. Should you buy? Should you sell? It's getting this from using charts and AI. And you can even chat to it like ChatGPT, hence its name, CoinGPT. So I'll show you how it works, and you can do it in your own time. The link is in the description down below, just to show you. If you go down a bit, crypto Telegram recommendations, you go to CoinGPT. It's a free bot. You start it up, and you can analyze, /analyze. Let's do Ethereum to start with, USDT. The default time frame here, guys, is 1 hour. And of course, you can change those time frames up. On the 1 hour time frame, we're actually getting a recommended sell. But of course, it's a low time frame. If you're wondering what take the trade is, well, in a few days, that's going to be activated. If you like the analysis, you can simply click take the trade, and it will open a trade for you in your own Bybit or BloFin trading account. We've got BloFin as well because it's a no KYC exchange. Link for BloFin down below to get ahead of the game and get up to 5k bonus there. But let's look at the 4 hour time frame for Ethereum. Maybe it paints a different picture. 4 hour is still recommending a sell. So on the lowish time frames, quite bearish. Let's see if the daily chart gives us any more of a different indication. On the daily chart, we are seeing sell. So actually CoinGPT is rather bearish on Ethereum. Quite interesting. So it doesn't necessarily agree with my human analysis. Let me know which one you agree with more. But let's check out Bitcoin. It will be interesting to see if Bitcoin has a different story. We'll do analyze Bitcoin USDT. If you wanted to do SOL USDT for Solana or Bonk, for example, you can do any cryptocurrency. So the 1 hour for Bitcoin recommending a sell. Let's check out the 4 hour. All quite bearish so far from CoinGPT. And it does have about a 75% accuracy. Bitcoin on the 4 hour is a sell. Let's have a look at the daily. Are we going to get some bullish analysis, CoinGPT? Maybe it's more about altcoins. Maybe we should do an altcoin if you're looking for a buy. But of course, when you trade, you can go long, you can go short. So this is also a sell. So CoinGPT is very bearish today. And it's all due to the different indicators that it looks at. It may not be so conclusive. Obviously, there's different indicators that can mean different things. For example, we could look at SOL. Maybe SOL is bullish. Maybe it's not. Just as an example, you could do any altcoin, any cryptocurrency, even meme coins. You just do /analyze SOL USDT. Let's see what Solana's doing, just for anyone that's interested. On the 1 hour, it recommends a buy. There you go. Some bullish activity. If you want to buy and you're watching this in the next few hours, maybe Solana's the coin to go for. 4 hour time frame for Solana. Let's have a look. It's recommending a buy position as well. Gives you the take profit stop loss. If you want to buy today, go for Solana. If you want to short, if you want to go by CoinGPT. Anyway, the link below, the link is down below for CoinGPT. Also, if you want AI trade signals, and you can take AutoSignal's link for CryptoPilot is down below as well. This is an amazing tool as well. You can actually monitor trading activity all in Telegram. It trades for you, manages risk, it places stop losses, take profits. Brilliant tool. You can start a free trial for 7 days. No card details needed. I recommend that as well. Thank you for joining me on this video. Check out any one of these on screen before we go. And if you haven't already, share the video, subscribe, hit the bell, like. See you soon.